Hello viewers, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make moong curry, whole moong curry, also known as green gram curry. So this is basically a very simple and very tasty dish. In Kerala it is called Puzhukku. So here in this recipe I'm not going to use any masala or onion. So it's a very simple recipe which can be enjoyed with porridge or roti. So let's look at the ingredients. Here I have 2 cups of boiled whole moong dal or green gram, and I'll be taking 2 spoons of grated coconut, and for seasoning I'll be using coconut oil, mustard seeds, urud dal, salt to taste, and some jaggery, then turmeric powder and hing or asafoetida, and some curry leaves. So this is not a spicy dish, so if you want spicy curry then you can add some dry red chili or chili powder. So first what I'm going to do is I've taken a kadai and I'm going to add a little bit of coconut oil. Next I'm going to add some mustard seeds and urud dal. Next I'm going to add turmeric powder and hing. Next I'm going to add some curry leaves. Now I'm going to add the boiled moong dal or whole moong. I'm going to add some water to adjust the consistency. I don't like the moong to be too mushy, so I kept the moong dal only for 3 whistles. So if you want little softer and mushy kind of moong curry, then you can keep it for longer. Moong is very good for people with GI issues. So, and good thing about this is very easy to cook and also very easy to digest. And this curry you can enjoy with rice or even roti. Add more water to adjust the consistency. So once it gets cooler, then it will be a little thick. So it's looking great. So as you can see, I have not added any masalas or any onion or garlic. So very simple, very easy on your stomach. So it's very good for kids too. Easy to digest and very healthy too. In the same moong dal, you can also add raw banana or even jackfruit, raw jackfruit. So today I'm showing you the very simple way of making this curry. Now my moong curry has started boiling. At this stage I'm going to add some jaggery. little sweetness in this curry gives a very good taste. If you want it spicy, you can add some chili powder. In Kerala, we usually had this Cherubaya Puzhukku with rice porridge. So it's very tasty and very healthy too. Next, I'm going to add salt to taste. Next, I'm going to add grated coconut. Now my moong curry is looking great, it's almost ready. At this stage, I'm going to turn it off. So today you have seen the authentic way of making Cherubaya Puzhukku without any masala or onion. So please try this recipe and share your feedback. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share. Take care.